In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can finish Quest 1, the Thief Hunter quest here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But assuming that most of you guys watching this video right now had just started playing Sailor Piece, first of all, welcome to the game itself. This is a phenomenal game. Quest 1 is one of the earliest quests that you can actually go ahead and do. It's going to be located on the starter island right here. You interact with this guy just like so, and he's going to tell you to defeat the thieves terrorizing the area. Now, you might just have combat right now. Essentially, you just walk up and start hitting these guys just like so. And after defeating 5 of them, you go ahead and get some money. Essentially, you want to repeat this process over and over and over again until you have a decent amount of money so that you can go ahead and get yourself the first major sword in the game, which is just the base katana. Once you get some money, interact with the katana seller. For 2,500, you can get the katana, where then, of course, you interact with that and equip it, and then taking these guys out is going to be a lot easier overall. It's not this one that I have right now, but you guys get the point. Keep farming this guy right here until you go ahead and do that. And then from here, you can make your way over to the thief boss right here. But that's going to be quest 2. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.